I also water over top of mosquito bits so that I can kind of double up on my pest protection. Did you guys see that? Seriously? All right, I need to focus on what I'm doing. Hey plant people, it's Shane here. Really quick, it is Monday. I was just getting ready to do some watering on my plants, and I was making up a batch of neem oil drench to water with, and I just wanted to kind of go through that a little bit with y'all in case you cannot find any information on neem oil soil drenches. Basically, I do these soil drenches with this concentrate of neem oil mixed in water my plants as normal to kind of deter pests, but also get rid of any potential pests that might have accrued in my plants while I was in between drenches. So basically, real quick, all you're going to do, you get this concentrate here. It doesn't necessarily have to be this brand. I probably got this at Walmart. If you look through the back underneath this little pamphlet here, it will tell you the ratios. It doesn't specifically tell you the ratios for the drench. It will just tell you the ratio of oil to water for you to set up a spray. I do refill my neem oil spray bottles with this concentrate in water as well. But basically, you will just mix 2 tablespoons per gallon. This over here is a 2-quart container, so I just put in 1 tablespoon here. You'll mix it in just like you'd mix in anything else, some Kool-Aid or whatever it may be. Go ahead and put it into your watering can and water as normal, and you will see that your fungus gnats or whatever may be hiding in your soil will dissipate over the next couple of days. I would suggest doing a light watering as opposed to a heavy watering, just because you may want to reapply instead of doing just one solid watering. You may want to reapply so that you can make sure that you really get those fungus gnats and other little larvae away. But I will be getting ready to water some of my bigger plants over here that I noticed could use a little bit of TLC. So if I end up having an update on this, I will go ahead and show you after the fact. But yeah, neem oil concentrate, water your plants as normal, and that will help take care of any of those nuisances that are hiding deep down in the soil. As far as spider mites and other more like foliar type of pest, you may just want to go ahead and stick with a spray, but you can also use this extract to mix in a spray bottle instead of going out and buying spray bottles individually. All right, guys, I got to go ahead and get into watering, but just wanted to give y'all that little tidbit from me, and I will talk to y'all later. Take it easy.